Blissology is about tools and practices to release us from our worries and tune us into our innate sense of joy. We do this so we can have a better relationship with our own selves, with others, and with the planet. Blissology On Demand is where you can practice with us anywhere, anytime. We have three main types of yoga practices. We have Blissology Slow Flow, Vinyasa Flow, and a very fluid way of moving called Superflow. We also have deep relaxation practices as well as meditation practices, and they're all different lengths. Some as little as 10 minutes, 45, 60, and even 75-minute practices. As well, your membership includes live events with us every month. You can join our Facebook group, so we have a community of high vibe blissologists from all around the world for you to connect with. And all of this is less than the average drop-in class would be. Just one drop-in class at any city in the world every month. Blissology On Demand is your place to practice with us anywhere, anytime, and we love sharing this positive vibration with you.